Title: Effects of gum arabic ingestion on body mass index and body fat percentage in healthy adult females, 2-arm randomized, placebo-controlled, double-blind trial.
Authors: Babeker, R., Morgani, T. H., El-Musharraf, K., Body, R., M., Lang, F., and Saeed, A. M.
Journal: Nutrition Journal. Year of publication: 2012. Volume: 11. Issue: 1. Page: 111. Objective: the aim of the study was to evaluate the effects of gum arabic, Acacia Senegal, ingestion on body mass index, BMI, and body fat percentage in healthy adult females. Methods: a total of 120 healthy adult females participated in this 2-arm, randomized, placebo-controlled, double-blind trial. The participants were randomly assigned to either the gum arabic group or the placebo group. The gum arabic group received 30 grams of gum arabic per day for 6 weeks, while the placebo group received a similar amount of pectin as a control. The participants' body mass index, BMI, body fat percentage, and other relevant anthropometric measurements were recorded at baseline, at the end of the 6-week intervention, and during a 2-week follow-up period. Results: the study found a statistically significant reduction in BMI and body fat percentage in the gum arabic group compared to the placebo group. The gum arabic group experienced a mean reduction of 0.32 kilograms per square meter in BMI and a mean reduction of 2.18% in body fat percentage. The placebo group, on the other hand, experienced a mean increase of 0.09 kilograms per square meter in BMI and a mean increase of 0.03% in body fat percentage. The changes in BMI and body fat percentage were maintained during the 2-week follow-up period. Conclusion: this study concluded that gum arabic supplementation led to a significant reduction in BMI and body fat percentage in healthy adult females. The authors suggested that gum arabic could be a useful dietary supplement for weight management and obesity prevention. It is important to note that this summary is based on the original study and is not a complete reproduction of the study itself. For a full understanding of the study, it is recommended to read the original article in the Nutrition Journal. Copyright Sangari Commodities Corporation. Internet: www.sangaracommodities.com